Number 1. The 1962 Ford Thunderbird Coupe 2D. Priced at $13,500. Located in Brooklyn, New York. This car is in very appealing condition with shiny white paint and a clean, well-maintained red interior, including the original dashboard with a full instrument panel and signature bucket-style rear seats. The exterior displays a distinctive styling of the third-generation Thunderbird, complete with round taillights and the signature bird emblem on the rear. Mechanically, the car can still start and drive, but it needs an engine rebuild due to compression loss in cylinder 8. The owner mentioned it was used as a daily driver for 2 years and has been owned for 7 years. Although the factory AC system has been removed for engine servicing, the car still includes power windows and several recent upgrades. Petronics igniter solid-state ignition, MSD blaster 2 coil, new spark plug wires, new fuel pump, relatively new battery, new starter solenoid, and new front suspension. With its blend of classic looks and mechanical updates, it has the potential to become either a light restoration project or an appealing weekend cruiser. Number 2. The 1973 Ford Maverick. Priced at $6,000. Located in Perkasie, Pennsylvania, this car is in excellent condition for its age. On the exterior, the shiny green paint retains about 90% of its original luster, with only minor aging signs or light scratches. The clean and modern 17 inches aftermarket wheels add a sporty touch that contrasts well with the car's classic design. The interior is complete and very tidy, featuring well-maintained black leather seats with no tears and intact door panels. The V8 engine is in good condition, though a bit dusty, and is claimed to run smoothly on the highway with no smoke. It features manual windows, a good battery, and does not require a smog check, a major advantage in some U.S. regions. Overall, this Maverick is a lightly modified classic that retains originality and is ready to drive without needing major repairs. Number 3. The 1984 Chevrolet Monte Carlo SS Coupe 2D. Priced at $6,500. Located in Amherst, Virginia, equipped with a V8 engine and automatic transmission. It is in excellent condition for its age. The exterior is smooth with shiny gold paint finish and no visible major damage or rust. The interior is well maintained, featuring clean velour seats and an original dashboard, complete with a tilt steering column. The engine is running and clean, indicating the car has likely been well cared for. It includes AC, power steering, power brakes, and 14 inches Supreme-style aftermarket wheels, giving it a sporty yet classic feel. The car is said to run and drive well, and the seller is willing to provide additional videos to serious buyers and assist with shipping. Number 4. The 1965 Ford Fairlane Sport Coupe. Priced at $5,700. Located in Waterford, Connecticut. A classic vehicle that remains largely intact despite signs of aging. The turquoise blue paint still looks attractive, although there are dents and scratches at the front, particularly around the right bumper. It has American Racing Torque Thrust D wheels and new BFG tires, enhancing its sporty vibe. The 289 Windsor V8 engine has been modified with Flowtech aluminum 185 cubic centimeters 60C heads, a comp cams camshaft, a dual plane 4 performance intake manifold, a Holley 600 carburetor, performance rocker arms, and valve covers. The cooling system has also been updated with a new water pump, thermostat, and an Optima battery. The interior shows worn and torn seats, but the dashboard remains original and intact. The headliner is starting to sag, and the rear seat is covered with a blanket to hide damage. It uses a 3-speed 3-on-the-tree manual transmission, adding to its classic charm. A new windshield has been installed. This is a great choice for classic car fans looking for a light project with a strong engine. Number 5. The 1979 Pontiac Bonneville. Priced at $7,900. Located in Erie, Pennsylvania. A full-size classic sedan iconic from the muscle car era. Based on the images and description, the exterior is quite solid, though the paint shows signs of aging and light surface rust typical for a vehicle of this age. The brown interior is well preserved and original, featuring split front vinyl bench seats, a clean forward dashboard, and near-flawless door panels and rear seats. It's powered by a 455 CUN 7.50 V8 engine, reportedly original, and showing 109,000 miles. Everything, including the hardtop roof, remains original and in very good condition. Unfortunately, the original hubcaps are missing, and the car currently sits on oversized chrome aftermarket wheels that don't match the era. The seller states that the firm price is $5,000 with no negotiation. Overall, it's a solid road-ready classic candidate, needing only minor cosmetic refinements. Number 6. The 1978 Ford 500, priced at $5,400. Located in Cochranton, Pennsylvania, this two-door fastback is still in the hands of its second owner. Overall, it's in very respectable condition for its age. The exterior has been repainted in bright red, replacing its original silver mink metallic, though there's paint damage and surface rust around the rear window. The red vinyl interior is well preserved, with some signs of reasonable wear reflecting its originality. The 352 CUN 5.8L V8 engine is clean and intact, reportedly rebuilt and paired with a Cruise-O-Matic automatic transmission. The odometer shows 72,000 miles, and the car was last registered as non-operational in 2017. Additional features include dual exhaust, rear air shocks, original 1965 California plates, dealer-installed AC not connected, full hubcaps, vintage fender skirts in the trunk, and the original owner's manual in good condition. While the overall condition is very solid, the rear brakes are said to need attention. This car is ideal as a light classic collector or mild restoration project that still runs. Number 7. The 1964 Thunderbird Ford, priced at $12,500, located in Springfield, Massachusetts. It remains in original, unrestored condition, but still runs well. Visually, the gold paint with white vinyl top is intact, though showing some natural aging consistent with the car's age. The cream-colored interior is very well preserved. Both the front and rear seats are free from major rips or heavy wear. The door panels, dashboard, and floor are also clean and complete, indicating good upkeep. The 429 V8 engine is tidy and clean, with several key replacements: fuel tank, fuel pump, new distributor, and a rebuilt Autolite 4100 carburetor, ensuring stable performance. It also has a solid undercarriage and is registered and road legal in Florida, with an odometer reading of 49,000 miles, believed to be original mileage. Number 8. The 1973 Oldsmobile 98, priced at $12,500, located in Severn, Maryland. A classic coupe known as the first front-wheel drive car from General Motors in the modern era. Overall, its condition is quite good for a vehicle over 50 years old. The body is claimed to be rust-free, zero rust, which is a big plus for a classic car. The paint is dull, with some scratches and peeling, showing that the car hasn't been polished or repainted, an intentional decision by the owner to preserve its originality. The interior appears to have been partially restored with new seats and headliner. Although the materials are no longer factory original, they resemble modern velour. The door panels and dashboard still appear original, with some signs of wear. Features such as power steering, power windows, power seats, and an AM/FM radio are functional, except for the non-working AC. The 425 CUN 7.0L V8 engine with automatic transmission still runs and drives well, although cold starts can be tricky due to the unconnected automatic choke. The car comes with new tires, about 1,000 miles on them, and new shocks on all four wheels. With complete documents and a clean title, it's a strong candidate for a classic collection or a light restoration project. Number 9. The 1976 Chevrolet Nova, priced at $12,000. Located in Shepherdshay, Rhode Island, this hatchback is in very decent condition for its age and type. The body is solid and relatively straight, with some gray primer spots indicating previous repairs or prep for repainting, but the yellow paint remains fairly attractive overall. Glass and chrome trim are intact. The interior is in excellent condition. Seats, carpet, door trims, headliner, and weather stripping are clean and well-maintained, with the seller claiming a 100% good interior. It still has an original 250 CI six-cylinder engine with an automatic transmission and comes with power steering and power brakes. The AC system is complete, but needs a Freon recharge. One of its standout features is the fully upgraded performance suspension, including CPP tubular A-arms, front and rear adjustable billet shocks, large sway bars at both ends, and a subframe connector, making it ideal for daily driving or as a project base for a future engine swap. With a clean NC title and just 2 owners from Arizona, this is an appealing budget-friendly classic or sleeper build candidate. Number 10, the 1974 Dodge Dart, priced at $14,000, located in Windber, Pennsylvania. Still in original condition, including its naturally faded but intact paint, with no major rust. The exterior shows signs of age but no major structural damage, and the glass and trim appear complete. The interior is clean and well kept, though the dashboard has minor damage near the clock and vents, with a few missing trim pieces. The original beige cloth seats show wear, but are not badly torn. It runs on a durable 318 CI V8 engine, reportedly running well and without excessive noise, suggesting a healthy mechanical state. The odometer shows about 83,000 miles. It has received a new fuel tank and new tires, boosting its usability. Overall, this is a solid example of a classic Dodge Dart, great for enthusiasts seeking a survivor car with minimal cosmetic restoration needs. Number 11, the 1958 Ford Custom 302-door sedan, priced at $17,500, located in Hagerstown, Maryland. It now starts and runs. The exterior features a straight and solid body with fairly glossy black paint, though there may be minor imperfections. The interior has been updated with black diamond pattern upholstery on the seats and door panels, offering a classic yet elegant vibe. Under the hood is a 302 CU and V8 engine, upgraded with an Edelbrock carburetor and air intake, though it still needs minor servicing, like a carb cleaning and fuel filter replacement. There's also a minor electrical issue under the pedal area that needs attention. Overall, this is a cool-looking classic with great potential that would benefit from some care and finishing touches. It's ideal for enthusiasts looking for a light project with that unmistakable old-school Ford style of the 1970s. Number 12, the 1974 Plymouth Duster, priced at $3,600, located in Clovis, California, registered as non-operational, but the owner has the pink slip. It features a 318 V8 engine with a 3-speed 904 automatic transmission and comes with AC, power steering, and power brakes. Visually, the classic blue paint is still presentable, though the interior shows significant wear, including damaged seats and rust on the driver's floor. Some parts have been covered with Mexican-style seat covers. Mechanical work includes new spark plugs, plug wires, coil, distributor cap, front and rear calipers, brake pads, front shocks, master cylinder, and a newer smog pump. The engine runs but needs refreshing and shows minor oil and transmission leaks. While the smog equipment is still in place, it will not pass emissions in its current state and needs a tune-up. The trunk is clean and the body is straight with no major damage, making it a solid project car. It's suitable for enthusiasts looking to restore or even swap in a Hemi engine, as the seller suggests. The seller is open to trade offers depending on the vehicle offered. Number 13, the 1968 Mercury Cougar Super, priced at $19,500, located in Roselle Park, New Jersey. This car is a restoration project. It has been sitting in the desert for a long time, giving it a dusty appearance and a heavily worn interior with badly torn white leather seats, missing carpet, and a faded dashboard. However, the body is relatively straight and free from major rust, except for a few small holes in the front left floor and some welds on the right front floor. The outer body panels appear solid with only minor dents and a bit of Bondo on the right front fender. The hood is in excellent condition and considered one of the best parts of the car. The 302 V8 engine appears complete, albeit dirty and dusty. The seller states the car can start, run, shift, and stop, but is not yet safe for regular driving. It has an automatic transmission, power steering, window tint, AC, added front disc brakes, and a larger front sway bar. The wheels are currently mismatched rollers. Number 14, the 1978 Dodge Diplomat, priced at $8,400, located in Wilmington, Illinois, finished in metallic dark green and in excellent condition for its age. Visually, the body is straight and solid, with complete and shiny chrome trim and aftermarket wheels that add a bold touch. The interior remains original with green leather seats and clean, well-maintained door panels. Under the hood is a tidy 318 CU and V8 engine, indicating proper care, paired with an automatic transmission. Key updates include new tires installed in late May 2024, with only a few hundred miles, new brakes, and a new battery. The odometer reads 79,000 miles. The trunk area is clean and spacious, with a spare tire in place. A rust spot on the driver's side has already been cut and repaired, leaving the body rust-free. The car has been tested on both highway and country roads and is said to be enjoyable to drive. The seller is open to trades for another vehicle or camper and may add cash for the right deal. Number 15, the 1986 Dodge D250, priced at $1,000, located in Spokane, Washington. This is an old truck that, despite its rough appearance, still performs basic functions such as driving, braking, and running. Its worn condition is clearly visible from the dented and rusted body in several spots, a dirty bed filled with leaves, and a cracked windshield. The interior hasn't escaped damage either. The seat is crudely wrapped in plastic, and both the dashboard and steering column show signs of tampering, consistent with the owner's statement that the truck had previously been stolen and vandalized. Despite that, some maintenance work has already been done. The oil and filter have been changed, a new fuel pump, air cleaner, hoses, and turn signal switch have been installed. The suspension is reportedly still tight, and the transmission shifts smoothly. However, the throttle occasionally sticks, and the lack of a title adds legal complications to ownership. Overall, this truck is a good candidate for someone looking for a cheap restoration project with functional base, but it comes with significant physical repairs and administrative challenges.